Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video we'll be looking at optics, class 8, physics techno, concept 6, MCQs, packages. Let's begin. So silver package, the first question is the first numerical which we are going to do. So it's going to be very interesting and you will understand how to do numericals by doing this one. Okay. First, a concave mirror. You have read that. Now draw a concave mirror. Okay. This is the focus, center of curvature, and this is pole. Okay, done. Having a radius of curvature 40 centimeters. Okay, now radius of curvature is given as 40 centimeter. Now as it is a concave mirror, here is the radius of curvature, so it is negative. So just write r equal to minus 40 centimeter. Units is very important. Okay, so just write that minus 40 centimeter. Now it is placed in front of an illuminated point source at distance of 30 centimeters from it. So it is placed at 30 centimeters from it. So right, this light source. So you can say that the object distance is 30 centimeter, but as it will be placed in this place, it is negative 30. So negative 30 centimeter is it. Okay. And we are supposed to find the location of image. That means we are asked to find image distance. Okay. So how do we find this? As we are already given with r, we can simply find out f, right? So f is nothing but r by 2. Minus 40 by 2 is minus 20 centimeters. Okay. Just keep this aside. Now, right, using what formula we will use? Mirror formula. So this much part you should be able to clearly understand. Okay, given data you should write, and all the matter focal length you can try to find it out. Okay, now using the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? Just I am writing it here. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Now we want to find out v. So I am sending this u this side. So this you can write it as 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Am I right? Now simply if I will substitute the values here, I will be getting the answer. Okay, so let me just substitute it. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. Just change it. What is 1 by f? It is nothing but 1 by minus 20. So I can write minus 1 by 20. Minus, again, here what is u? Minus 30. Minus 1 by 30. So simply I can write this as minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Because minus into minus is plus. Now finding out the LCM, it is 60. So I'll multiply 3 here and 2 here. You know that. So I don't need to tell it specially. So this will be minus 3 plus 2 by 60. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 60. Then what is v? It is minus 60 centimeters. Okay. Now but look at the options. He didn't give it like that, right? So let's look at the options first, and then we will decide the answer. Okay, first option A, 60 centimeter from the mirror on the opposite side of the object. See, opposite side of the object is this side. If it is in the opposite side, answer should come in positive. But here we are having in negative. That means it is in the same side. Okay, so negative indicates it is here only. So B option is the appropriate one, because this says that 60 centimeter from the mirror on the same side of the object. So B is the correct option because it is on the same side. A negative sign indicates that it is on the same side. Just you can write that statement for your understanding. Okay. If you want, after the solution, you can just write these points. Okay, I have just written what I have explained you. These two pages. Okay, this one and after that this one. Now let's look at the silver package second question. the distance of the object from a concave mirror. So concave mirror first you will consider here, and here is the focus, center of curvature, pole. Of focal length 10 centimeters. So focal length is 10 centimeter, but according to sign convention it is going to be minus 10 centimeter as it is towards the left side of the x-axis. Understood? So this side it is negative, this side it is positive. You all know this, right? So that's what. Okay. So that image size is 4 times the size of object will be. So we have to find the distance of object. Actually we have to say u is what when the image size is 4 times the object size. Understood? This is what is given to us, and we are supposed to guess the what is it, object distance from the pole. I hope you understood the question first. See, this is not a question where we are going to use do numericals and solve it out. This is actually a logical question. So in which case, see, just open the ray diagrams. See, you will see that only in the last case you will be able to see a bigger image than the object size, right? Yeah, there are cases where there are enlarged images, but it is not 4 times. When you see the size, you can compare it. Right, and one case when you keep it on the focus, you will get a very big infinite image, right? So you can't just say it is just the 4 times. So that cannot be the option. So when it is between the focus and pole, you will get an image which is virtual, but it is going to be bigger than the object size, right? He is not asking whether we need a real image or a virtual one. He is just asking it should be 4 times, image should be 4 times the object. Understood? The size. So if it is placed between focus and pole, then only it is going to happen. So see the options, go through it. Now focal length is given as 10 centimeter. If it is kept beyond 10 centimeter, obviously it is not going to, you are not going to get such an image. So it should be less than 10 centimeters. Okay. So I'll just write down the options. See, first option is 12.5 centimeter. No chance. Delete this. B is 10 centimeter. If you keep it on focus, it will come at infinity. No chance. C is 7.5 centimeter. Yes, this is the absolute answer for this. Because D, again it is 15 centimeter. This is also cannot be because it is beyond F, and again it will change. So C is the right option for this. Even though it's a multi-option question, there is only single answer for this question. Okay. Yeah. Let's move to the third question. An object is placed on the principal axis of a concave mirror. Again, you take a concave mirror here. Okay. It is placed on the principal axis of a focal length. They have given already. Here is the focus, center of curvature, pole. Okay. Now he is saying that focus is 10 centimeters. So focal length. As it is a concave mirror, negative it is. Okay. Minus 10 centimeter. At a distance of 8 centimeters from the pole. So object is placed at a distance of 8 centimeter from the pole. So U is minus 8 centimeter after sign convection. Because object will be placed this side only towards the silver side. That's what. I mean towards the reflecting surface. Then position and nature of the image. Position and the nature of the image is nothing but you have to tell the your image distance and also whether it is virtual or real. So how do you tell that it is virtual or real is when you find out V, if it is positive, it is a virtual one. If it is negative, it's a real one. Don't worry, I'll give statements after this. Last, I'll give statements. Okay. So we can simply solve this question using the mirror formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Just send this 1 by U to LHS because we need V, right? So if the formula will be changed. So how it will be changed? 1 by F minus 1 by U equal to 1 by V. This is going to be the thing. So I have changed it over there. Now I hope it is clear. 1 by V equal to, what is F? Minus 10. Put it there. Minus 1 by, what is U? Minus 8. So just put it in bracket. Now 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 10, minus into minus is plus, so plus 1 by 8. Now just take out the LCM. LCM is going to be 40 for this, okay? So you just do it if you want it, okay? So here you multiply with 5, here you multiply with 4, right? So 1 by v equal to minus 4 plus 5 by 40. So 1 by v equal to 1 by 40, which means v is equal to 40 centimeters. Okay, so from this what we can tell is the position of the image. Okay, so we saw that v is equal to 40 centimeters, so which is positive. Here the positive sign indicates that the image is formed on the virtual side, so it is virtual image. So after solving this, you can just write the statement. So whatever I have told you, that only I have written it here. So whenever there is a positive sign here, you can simply say that it is a virtual image. Whenever there is a negative sign, it could indicate that image is real. So for that I have drawn one small diagram, you can understand. So you can copy if you really need it. Now fourth question, we have passage based question. Okay, so first read the passage so that you would understand things, and you can just solve so many questions. The three questions you can solve it, okay, by reading the passage. First question, magnification is equal to, first option is size of image by size of object. Yes, because image size by object size, that is nothing but h dash by h, so that is correct. Next, negative image distance by object distance. Yes, that is nothing but minus u by v, that is also correct. Sorry, minus v by u, and same thing is there in option C. So all are correct. So A, B and C all are correct, so that is D option, all are right. Okay, next let's see the second question. So if m is positive, then image formed is, so I have not given that statement, but even though you should be able to understand by now. If m is positive, then image is virtual only. Okay, if m is negative, image is a real image. See, when you see that sign convention itself, you can understand this side it is negative, this side it is positive. Okay, so here obviously virtual only, positive, negative is only real. Okay, so same thing here also, it's there in passage even though. So option is going to be A and B, because virtual images are always, like to this cases, they are always erect. Okay, so you can say D again, because both A and B are correct. Next, third one, when image is smaller than object, then magnification is, obviously it is going to be less than 1. See, if the image size, if it is greater than object size, then magnification will be higher than 1. If image is same as object, then magnification equal to 1. If image size is lesser than the object size, magnification will be less than 1. Understood? So option A is correct here. Then let's move on to fourth question, which is a numerical. So question says, a 3 cm tall object is placed at a distance of 7.5 cm from a convex mirror. So draw a convex mirror first immediately. So this is a convex mirror, and here you have the focus, center of curvature and pole. So what he has told is 3 cm tall object is placed. So 3 cm tall object, that means 3 cm height object, okay, is placed at a distance of 7.5 cm from the mirror. So this distance from this to this is 7. I'll just draw like this. So 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so yeah, then that's what is given, and again focal length is also given to us. focal length of 6 centimeter. This length is 6 centimeter. Okay, then image will format. So what are they asking? V. Okay, so I'll just write the given data. First, what they have given is height of the object. So h is equal to plus 3 centimeter. After sign convention I'm doing it. See, why it is plus 3 you will ask, right? See, this is y axis. So y axis, whatever is going towards the upwards, that is the top, it is going to be positive, downwards is negative. Okay, this is sign convention I have told also in the video. Please check that if you need. And it is placed, distance is 7.5 centimeter. So u is negative 7.5 centimeter because it is towards the left side. So minus 7.5 centimeter, right? Next, what we have, what else is other given? We also have the focal length, that is positive 6 centimeter. It is positive because it is towards the right hand side of the x-axis, right? So that's why it is positive. And what are we supposed to find? V. Okay, image distance we are supposed to find. So how do we find that? Using the mirror formula. So what is the mirror formula? Just write it once. So I'll erase this in order to find space. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. But what we need? V. So 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Just I'm sending this to LHS. Okay, that's it. So I hope you understood. Now what we have to do, just substitute the values and you will get the answer. So let me substitute that. 1 by v equal to 1 by f. What is f? Plus 6. So 1 by 6 minus, what is v? See, it is minus 7.5 centimeters. So how can I write this? I can write this as minus 75 by 10 centimeter. But here I am asked 1 by u. So I have to write it as minus 10 by 75. I have converted the decimal into fraction. So I will simply write minus 10 by 75. Understood? Then 1 by v equal to 1 by 6 plus 10 by 75. Take out the LCM, you will get it as 150. Okay, LCM is 150. Okay, you can solve it if you need. So I'm just writing these values here. So 25 6 is 150 and 75 twice is 150. So by 150. See, here I am multiplying with 2, right? So 10 into 2 is 20. That's what. 1 by v equal to 45 by 150. Just cancel it down with 5. You will get 9 and 30 here. And v equal to 30 by 9 when you inverse it. So this is the answer. Option C. I hope you understood this question clearly. So we have a fifth question in this. So a 1 centimeter object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex mirror of focal length 7.5 centimeter. Then the object should be placed in front of the mirror at a distance to get size of the image as 0.6 centimeter is. So first, what are we asked? We are asked the distance, object distance we are asked. Okay, that is what we have to find here. So what kind of a mirror is this? All that first we will see. So they said it's a convex mirror. So convex mirror is something like this. And here we have focus, center of curvature, pole. So object height is 1 centimeter. Focal length, I'll just write the values. Okay, first is object height is given, that is 1 centimeter, right? So 1 centimeter, h is 1 centimeter. Then it is focal length is also given to us. So focal length is positive 7.5 centimeter as it is a convex mirror. and then the option should be placed in front of the mirror to get image size is also given to us, h dash equal to 0.6 centimeter. Again, this is also going to be positive only. Okay, so that's what. Now what we have to find, u, question mark. Now how can we find this? So let's try doing this question first. First, obviously directly we can't apply the mirror formula, first and foremost thing, because for mirror formula to be applied we need any of the two values. We know only focal length. You can't simply find this. You should know what is v, then only you can apply this formula and find out u. So how do we get to know this value? So let's see that. Okay, I'll show you how you will get that value, and finally we will solve this. You can use the magnification formula. First, magnification has two formulas. What are they? H dash by h and minus v by u. So first I'll use this formula, okay, because we know h dash as well as h. So magnification m is equal to, what is h dash? 0.6 by what is h1. So magnification is going to be 0.6. Now I will apply the second formula here. M is equal to minus v by u. So what is m? 0.6. I am sending this u here. U is equal to minus v. I am sending this minus also here. So minus, so v is equal to minus 0.6 u. So instead of v, I will substitute this value. Okay, instead of v, I will substitute this value. But if I have decimal values, my time will get wasted in solving this. So what I will try to do is I'll try to make this as a fractional form. So v equal to minus 0.6 u. V is equal to minus, I can write this as 6 by 10 u. Am I right? Now this I can cancel it out with 2 table. So v is equal to minus 3 by 5 u. I can just use this value. Am I right? Because this will be simple for my calculation. Okay. Now I am substituting that value in mirror formula. Is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We need u, but even though let it be like this only. What is f? I have told 7.5. Right. I can write that as 75 by 10 or 10 by 75. But I don't want to make my calculation complex. See, focal length is 7.5, right? That is what is given in the question. What I will do is I can write it as 15 by 2. Same thing I am cancelling out and writing, because 75 by 100, if you simplify it, what you are going to get? 15 by 2 only. Correct. Sorry, it is 15 by 10. When you simplify it, you will get 15 by 2 only. 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10. So that is going to be 15 by 2 when you simplify. So directly I am taking that value here so that my calculation will be easy. So 1 by f is nothing but 2 by 15. Just ulta that and write. Is equal to 1 by v plus, what is 1 by v? V value we got it as minus 3 by 5 u. So as it is 1 by, what I am going to do is I will shift it upwards. So minus 5 by 3 u. Understood? So this will be shifted in this way. Now 2 by 15 equal to 1 by u minus 5 by 3 u. See, u is downward, so I forgot to tell you u is down, because what we found was minus 3 u by 5. So you can't just simply put it anywhere. This is in the numerator, it has to go to the denominator now. Okay, that's what is majorly. Here the LCM is going to be 3. So 2 by 15 is equal to, see, minus into here minus only. Again, no need to write it. Yeah. So just find out the LCM. It is 3 I told. So 3 minus 5 by 3u. This is what is going to be, right? Then 2 by 15 is equal to minus 2 by 3u. 2 ones are will get cancelled. So what it is going to be? 3u is equal to minus 15. U equal to minus 5. So what is the unit? Centimeter, right? So here you don't have sign in the option. You can just simply select it as 5. Option B. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. Thanks for watching.